English children's story.
영어 동화
The Dog and His Bone.
개와 뼈다귀
A dog was crossing a bridge.
개가 다리를 건너고 있었어요.
He had a bone in his mouth.
개는 입에 뼈다귀를 물고 있었어요.
He was looking down the stream and saw another dog with a bone in his mouth.
개는 개울을 내려다보고는 다른 개가 입에 뼈다귀를 물고 있는 것을 보았어요.
That dog has a bone too.
저 개도 뼈다귀를 갖고 있잖아.
His bone looks bigger than mine.
그의 뼈다귀가 내 것보다 더 커 보이는걸?
Bark, bark, give me the bone.
망! 망! 그 뼈다귀를 내놔!
Oh, the poor greedy dog.
오, 불쌍한 욕심쟁이 개요.
His bone was gone forever.
뼈다귀는 영영 사라져 버렸어요.
Do you want to know?